Stop saying, "I want pizza." It sounds rude. This is how native speakers order pizza. Hi, welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a pizza, please?
Sure. What kind of pizza would you like?
I'd like a chicken pizza, but I'm not sure which one to choose.
No problem. Our chicken mushroom pizza is very popular, and it has a really nice flavor. Would you like to try that?
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll go with that.
Great choice. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I think I'll take a medium because I'm a bit hungry.
All right. Would you like to add extra cheese or any toppings?
Yes, can I get extra cheese and add some mushrooms?
Of course. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, can I get a cola with no ice?
Sure. Is this for here, or would you like to take it to go?
I'll have it for here. I'd like to sit and relax a bit.
Sounds good. Let me just confirm your order. 1 medium chicken mushroom pizza with extra cheese, and 1 cola with no ice.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $10.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Hi again. Your pizza is ready. I hope you enjoy it.
Wow, it looks really good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, have a great day.
Key phrases. Shadowing practice. Repeat 3 times. Number 1. Can I get a pizza, please? Can I get a pizza, please? Can I get a pizza, please? Number 2. I'd like a chicken pizza. I'd like a chicken pizza. I'd like a chicken pizza. Number 3. I'll take a medium. I'll take a medium. I'll take a medium. Number 4. Can I get extra cheese? Can I get extra cheese? Can I get extra cheese? Number 5. Would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink? Number 6. Can I get a cola with no ice? Can I get a cola with no ice? Can I get a cola with no ice? Number 7. For here or to go? For here or to go? For here or to go? Number 8. Your total is $10. Your total is $10. Your total is $10. Number 9. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Did you understand this conversation? Comment pizza if you learned something new. Follow for more real English conversations every day.